Hello guys, so today I will show you how you can run your Python programs in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you need to install Python as well as Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Once they both are installed, then you can run your Python program. So first click on open folder in Microsoft Visual Studio. Now you can create one folder here. Let's say I'm giving as name as Python projects. Okay, now select this folder. Now open it. So you can see here that Python projects are now opened in your Visual Studio Code. Now you can create one file and let's give the name as my first Python program and give the extension .py and then click on it. So the file is now opened here. Now you can now write your programs here, like let me print some Python statements. My first program, my first Python program, let's say. Now you can go to run. You can use both options. F5 if you press, then it will start debugging and then run, and if you press Control plus F5, then it will run without debugging. So let's go with this time. Let's select this Python debugger and you can see the output in this terminal section. Here you can see the output, my first Python program. You can clear this terminal also by using the command cls and press enter. The terminal is cleared now. Now let us write one more Python program. Let's say I'm again using print. My second Python statement. Okay. Now let's go to the run section and run without debugging. And the output will be displayed here. You can see. So you can see both line is coming. My first Python program, which is coming from this print statement, and my second Python statement, which is coming from this statement. You can clear the screen by using CLS. So now the terminal is cleared now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got how to run your programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. If you need how to install Microsoft Visual Studio and how to install Python, then you can ping me. You can write in the comment section. I will create some video on it. Thank you. Thank you guys.